Hi, this is Dr. Bragg from homeprotherapy.com with a tip for a pain-free Friday. Today, we're going to concentrate on a good stretch for our back to prevent back pain. I want you to try this stretch twice a day, in the morning when you first get up, and in the midday or in the evening. Now, sit in a comfortable chair with your feet spread apart about 1 foot. And you're going to bend forward as far as you can to make your back flat as you can get it. If it hurts you to get real flat, just stop as far as you can going forward. Put both hands on your knees. And with both hands on your knees and your back as flat as you can get it leaning forward, I want you to count to 20 slowly. And you will feel a stretch in your back. Once you get to 20, sit up and then lean backwards in the chair and count to 10. Take a deep breath in, exhale out, and then repeat the stretch, bending forward, touching the middle of your leg. So touch the mid of your shin. And once you get to the middle of your shin, bend forward again as you did previously with your back as flat as you can get it. Count to a slow count of 20 and you will feel a stretch in your back. Once you count to 20, again, sit up straight and lean backwards and count to 10. Breathe in deeply, breathe out. Now, repeat this a third time, but this time leaning forward and touching your ankles. You're going to touch your ankles, leaning forward with your back as flat as you can get it. You're going to feel that stretch, and you're going to count to 20 slowly, feeling the stretch in your back. After you count to 20, you're going to sit up and lean backwards and maybe count to 10. Breathe in deeply and exhale. Breathe in deeply and exhale. This is all you need to do. I want you to repeat this stretch again in the middle of the day or in the evening. Now, if this stretch causes you pain, I want you to stop it. But for most of us, this stretch would be good to stretch out your back and to make you feel better. And if you do this every morning and every midday or every evening, this will help to reduce back pain. Try it and see how it feels.